Does your workplace struggle with poor communication, unprofessional behavior, and low morale? Are employees disrespectful, disengaged, or lacking accountability? These issues damage productivity, create conflict, and hurt your company's reputation. But it doesn't have to be this way. TrainSMART's people skills and workplace professionalism. Training transforms workplace culture by improving respect and courtesy. Replace negativity with professionalism and support. Communication. Minimize misunderstandings with clear, confident dialogue. Accountability. Encourage ownership, responsibility, and team collaboration. With just one workshop, you'll see a more engaged, respectful, and professional workforce boosting retention, morale, and customer satisfaction. Don't let unprofessional behavior hold your business back. Invest in custom-tailored training for your team today. Sign up now to transform your workplace with TrainSMART.